2016 was a massive year for us. We developed our first robots, went from pilot in late 2015, but really focused all of 2016 in building new robots, getting ourselves into a situation where we have 20 robots now in production, and have proven that all the processes and work that we did to set up the Robotic Automation Center and the governance and mechanisms that we have in place are fit for purpose. 2017 is really going to be much more about scaling, getting ourselves into a situation where we really have more of a factory building robots and can scale to a much larger extent. And then also looking at the next step from a technology perspective, looking at how artificial intelligence and cognitive may be able to help us enhance the capabilities of our robots and do elements around machine learning enabled robots. So it's an expansion of the capability. And we're also taking a look at how we can provide more strategic perspective on which processes to automate and have a better top-down view of where we strategically apply the automation capabilities. I think AI is an extremely broad topic, and within Swiss Re we see AI being applied in a wide variety of ways. Very specifically within robotic process automation, we're focusing on the machine learning capabilities, making robots more capable, being able to handle different scenarios, handle a lot more variation and variability in the inputs, and be able to do that with relatively minimal human intervention. So for me, it's interesting because we talk about robotic process automation, and what at the end of the day we're doing is we're automating activities. So it's not taking away entire jobs, it's not replacing a person, we're really replacing a set of activities that a person is working on. If someone's job is completely comprised of these repetitive manual activities, then yes, their job is at risk. But what we found through experience and working with people working in these processes is they often express relief. So my view is that particularly the millennials are looking for ways to upskill themselves, to work in a different way than what we're used to. And we just can't imagine the types of work that they will be doing that don't exist even today. And this kind of work is just not interesting for them anyway. So it's taking activities away that is not interesting to millennials and providing opportunities in a very different arena. I mean, the event is fantastic. I've really enjoyed connecting with a lot of practitioners and folks that are exploring the opportunities of RPA and how they can deploy it, and sharing the experience that we've had. I think it's important that as a community of practitioners we're able to have this type of event and share that experience. I think the vendors also, it's great to connect with them because at the end of the day, each of these products continues to evolve. So we went through an evaluation about 1.5 years ago as to which product to select. We picked a particular RPA product, but it's always great to stay in touch with the different vendors, get a sense of how their products are evolving, and this type of event really affords us a very efficient way of achieving that.